Hi guys, welcome to Educational Toys ASMR. Today we are reviewing this Oregon Smart Globe Junior. I believe this is a vintage globe and it has a couple of functions. I'll turn it on later. 1 second so that you can hear me. So it has animal, sight, food, ideas, festivals, sports, music, national anthem, languages, and dresses. So it covers all of this. Then it has an interactive screen over here. Like, it's not a touch screen, but it shows the pictures and everything. So for example, it's telling us about which place has animals like elephants or whatever, so it will show the picture of that thing. Okay, so we'll just turn it on. It also has this option of putting headphones or repeating and stuff, which is pretty cool. And the VTech ones that come now, they have a pen and everything. This can simply be touched with finger.
Use the slide to choose.
Okay, so
Clothes. Cool.
it's on clothes right now.
Turn the globe when the music plays.
Okay, let's touch Europe.
Touch a place on Asia. Europe. France.
It also shows the marking on the globe.
Hat that fits close. So warm.
Okay, let's check the national anthem.
National anthem. That's grand. Where do you want to go? Touch a place on the globe. Africa. Egypt.
So now this is going to play the tune of the anthem. Okay, let's check the landmarks.
Cool! Where do you want to go? Touch a place on the globe.
North America.
Niagara Falls is a very powerful waterfall. Millions of people come each year to see the natural wonder. Come on, let's play.
Okay, let's check the animals.
World animals. Great choice. Do you like animals as much as I do? Where do you want to go? Touch a place on the South America. Argentina. Some penguins live in Argentina. Penguins are birds that cannot fly, but they are excellent, fast swimmers.
Okay, let's check the food.
Food. Perfect. Where do you want to go? Touch a place on the globe. Asia. Japan. Ramen is a favorite lunch. In Japan, it is a type of noodle soup. It looks like spaghetti. Come on, let's play.
Okay, let's talk about the festivals.
Festival. Great choice. Where do you want to go? Touch a place on the globe. Asia. North America. In Mexico, people celebrate Las Posadas. People act out the story of Christmas. Children sing songs and swing at a candy-filled piñata. That was fun.
Okay, so it has a couple of these things. There is some more like music and sports and stuff. We'll just do one last. Let's do sports.
Sports. Cool. Ready, North America.
Now let's try Europe.
In Germany, football is the favorite sport. They also enjoy playing tennis, basketball, and volleyball.
So let's turn it off and tell me if you like it, and also compare it with other brands like VTech, and I think Leapfrog also has a globe. So how would you compare it? I really like the build quality. Then it also has these embossed buttons, right? So You can touch these, and like if you touch Europe, so it will not just give you one answer. You touch different places and it might give you different answers, I believe, because I have tried like with Asia. So I tried once, it told me about China, then it told me about India, so it tells about different countries, not just one country from each continent. And this revolves, right? It also has these specific oceans and stuff, all these oceans mentioned. And then when you turn on the screen, let's say I'm talking about Africa, so it's going to show the map, and then it's going to point out where Africa is exactly on the map. So I really find it amazing, given that this is not a latest model. This is I think, I'm not 100% sure, please comment below if you know, if you have owned something like this when you were a child. I think this is a vintage one, and this is actually a very solid build quality. So this isn't like a fragile thing. You see the base? Yeah, it's a pretty solid kind of a thing. And the screen is black and white, of course, but it has all the images and everything. Like you saw the pinata, and then it burst, and like it was talking about, I think, a penguin or something, and then it was swimming. So it continuously changes the screen. It's not like a still screen with one picture. It kind of has a video with everything. So I really love it. I would love to hear from you if you have ever owned it, if you have bought something similar for your own children, or if you have owned another globe, interactive globe for children, and how would you compare that with this? Because I showed you the functions. Does it have all of these? Does it have fewer than this? And whatever, I would love to hear it from you guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. For more content like this, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.